problem. Next one. F of x is given like x cube plus e power x by 2. And g of x is mentioned as f inverse of x. And our task is to find z dash of 1. Okay. So since g is f inverse of x, g and f are inverses to one another, so we have a chance to write that f circle g is equals to identity. Since g is the inverse of f, by the composite functions, g circle f is identity as well f circle g is also identity. Okay. So first let us take this f circle g as identity. Okay. Since f circle g identity, it can be written as f circle g of x is equals to identity of x. And by the definition of composite functions, f circle g of x is nothing but f of g of x. And what you say about this identity of x? Identity of x is x. So now we have f of g of x is x. Differentiate it. Differentiate both sides with respect to x. F of g of x, right? So you just write it like f dash of g of x into z dash of x is equals to 1. Left side we have composite functions f of g. So its derivative is f dash of g of x into derivative of g is g dash of x is equals to 1. So this is the relation we have. Our task is to find z dash of 1. So take x is equals to 1. If we take x is equals to 1, this part is f dash of g of 1 into, this is what z dash of x, right? So g dash of 1 is equals to 1. So f dash of g of 1 into z dash of 1 is 1. So to find z dash of 1, now we need f dash of g of 1. Okay, you just mark this as a star. I will use it. To find z dash of 1, we need now f dash of g of 1. Okay, what is the value of g of 1? Let us look at the problem. G of 1 in the sense, see, g is f inverse, right? Since g is f inverse, and let us look at this function f of x. If we give x 0, what is f of 0? From this, it is very clear that if you input 0 in the place of x, 0 cube is 0, e power 0 by 2 is what? 1. So, this f of 0 is 1. Is it clear? So, since f of 0 is equals to 1, 0 can be written as f inverse of 1, and 0 is nothing but, since f inverse is g, g of 1. So now you just replace this g of 1 with 0. Okay. So finally we have f dash of 0 into z dash of 1 is equals to 1. Now what you say about this f dash of 0? F of x is this function. Differentiate it and then replace it with x with 0. Okay. Again I am using this part. Okay. Yeah. Now what is f dash of x? What is f dash of x? X cube, its derivative is 3x square plus we have e power x by 2. And for e power something, its derivative is e power x by 2 into, for x by 2 it is 1 by 2. So f dash of x is this 3x square plus half e power x by 2. And what you say about f dash of 0? Replacing x with 0 here, 3 into 0 is 0, e power 0 is 1, so 1 by 2. So f dash of 0 is 1 by 2. So if you replace f dash of 0 with 1 by 2 into z dash of 1 is equals to 1. We need to calculate z dash of 1 and finally z dash of 1 is 2. Is it clear? Just to rewrite g of 1 as 0, we look at that f of 0, and to find f dash of 0, we observe this f dash of x and f dash of 0. Okay. Finally, our answer is 2. Clear? Have a look.